What up, guys? This is Roland Blase. There is a style of music that's really popping right now. And there's a word, the key word is Gouye, 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 Gouye. Guys, if you don't know how to play to that style of music, you are not living in this generation. Right now, that's taking over. Just like trap music took over hip hop, Gouyad is almost taking over Kompa, guys. You can debate that. But listen, this lesson will teach you how to approach Gouyad tracks, Gouyad solos. If you want to learn that, go ahead and stay tuned. This is a powerful lesson. I'm about to show you guys some secrets to making your Gouyad solos sound beautiful. So stay tuned. This is Roland Blase.
Something that's good for me.
Hey guys, before we get started with this lesson, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment on this video. You can ask me anything you want to ask me about Kompa, anything you want me to post or teach. Go ahead and leave it in the comments. This is Roland Blase. Go ahead and like it and subscribe to the video. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get started. So this style of music is actually my favorite style of music. If you've seen me, I've played for DJs, I've played for certain groups, and I use a nice, soothing, saturating sound. So this style of music is very perfect for that. If you have a keyboard and you need Modex sounds, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Main stage sounds, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Even the Roland XV5030 or 5080, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. So let's get started. A lot of you guys, you hear this style of music is a very slow, balanced style, but you don't know how to approach it. You're thinking it's like regular Kompa. It's not. So I'm going to show you some techniques here. Now this track we're about to play is literally in the key of G flat, actually. So we're going to learn the key of G flat today. And G flat is, the only white key is B, then F. Everything else is black keys. So what's our chord progression, guys? It literally starts on the 6th note of that scale. So it starts on what? E flat minor, which is your 6. B major, which is your 4. G flat major, which is your 1. And D flat major, which is your 5. So it's a 6, 4, 1, 5. So we're going to get a little bit advanced than the average lesson here, guys, because I'm going to really dive into real Gouyad solos. So I hope you guys are paying attention because I'm about to open your mind on how to do this, guys. So right now I'm about to drop a beat so you guys can see how the flow is. Remember, it starts on your E flat minor. Get that progression in you guys. I like the B inversion. You saw that? I don't like to move my fingers too much, so I just do these inversions. See this B? And look at this G flat. So even when I'm soloing, I just use these notes. I don't have to go all up here or all down here. So let me give you an example of a solo I would do on this. There's a lesson I teach on walk downs. It's in the Kompa course. But look at this, guys. So we're going to go to the G flat. Watch this, guys. You saw that? Nothing fancy. I just walk down from this. This is a part of my E flat minor, and I walk down. And right now I'm thinking, what should I do on the next chord? What is my next chord? It's a B major. I can do rolls, I can play around with the notes itself. Well, watch this. I'm gonna open your guys' mind. Watch this. You saw that? I just walked I teach about lead notes too. I walk from the B flat to the B, and E flat is a part of my B. So let's do that again. You saw what I did? I know we're going to the 1. I know we're going to G flat, so I just... This is part of my blues notes. And I teach you guys this, so... You saw how I ended that? You saw how I ended that? Remember I talked to you about lead notes? I'm leading from this G flat to my D flat major notes. So I did this. So we're gonna do that whole solo again so you guys can understand what I'm doing. And you can end it this way. It's still your D flat major. So the next thing a keyboardist would normally do is go to the lower octave. His next solo set is going to be in the lower octave. So watch what I'm going to do. Since I know our main note is E flat minor, watch what I'm going to do. Guys get it. I'm using lead notes. I'm using just chords that are in my progression. You guys remember the chord progression? Remember the chord progression. That's the main thing you got to think about. E flat minor, B major, G flat major, B flat major. So it's your 6, 4, 1, 5. I can teach you a whole bunch of ideals, but I'm gonna give you one more gem. Some of these chords you could turn into major 7 and the 9. So watch this. So when I'm on E flat minor, I'm gonna add the 7 and the 9, and I'm gonna remove the 3. So I'm just gonna use this. And when I'm on the B, I'm going to also remove the 3. And then I'm going to add the 7. And let's hear how that sounds, guys. We're not going to get too deep into that. The next lesson, I'll go ahead and break down how to use major 7s and 9s and all that. This is Roland Blase signing out. Hey guys, this is Roland Blase. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, kompa rhythm. In this kompa course, how to chake, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing kompa. For $19.99, this kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your kompa course now and start playing kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.